Hi, how's everybody doing? Well, the winter is rough. This winter in Canada is rough. And we always think of ways to make it better. So today I thought I'm gonna put this. It's summery. Okay, the colors, look at this, the turquoise, the colors are summery. And I'm going to pretend, okay? So one of the things I really stress is to enjoy what you do. So in order to enjoy what you do, you have to be comfortable, you have to be nicely dressed, you have to smell good, okay? And then you're having a good time creating. So I have the perfect shoes for today, look. Okay, so I'm trying to be comfortable in the kitchen and I have the perfect shoes. Look at these shoes and tell me if they're not comfortable and beautiful. They take me places, and when I cook, they're amazing because I don't have to worry about my feet, because my feet hurt sometimes. Okay, so today we're gonna make a nice citrus cake. In the Mediterranean, they use olive oil for their cakes. Here in North America, no. But this is an amazing citrus cake that is very fast to do, and it's delicious, delicious. So we're gonna do that cake today. We are going to use 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. Don't be afraid of the olive oil. And we're going to use 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. We're going to put them all together. 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to put some almond extract because we're using almonds, just about a teaspoon. We're going to use the zest of a lemon and the zest of an orange. And also the juice of a lemon and an orange. 1 orange and 1 lemon, the juice. We're going to put them all together. Look how easy that recipe is. Okay. Some vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla, and this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon, a little, maybe half a teaspoon of salt. And we put it in our dry ingredients, and our dry ingredients consists of 1 cup of almond, crushed almond, powder almond, and 1.5 cups of semolina. So we start to just blend. As you can see, I use the paddle, so we don't have to worry about mixing vigorously. We're just blending, just folding, sort of. And after that is mixed, we're putting our dry ingredients together. Wow, like this. In the meantime, I have my 9-inch spring form, and I'm going to oil it, and I'm going to put some paper. Just a touch of oil. I'm going to put it all over, especially on the sides, because the bottom will have the paper and it sticks right in there nicely. Wow, that's how we want the consistency to be. Like, it has to be fluid, runny. And our cake is ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna get every drop out of here. Imagine. 325. It's gonna go in for 325 for 40 to 45 minutes. When it's warm, we're gonna just sprinkle it with a bit of Grand Marnier, and it's gonna be delicious. This is Litsa. Have a nice day.